Hello and welcome to another Nucida training session dealing with TestComplete, an automated testing tool for web, desktop, and mobile applications. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. In this video, we will talk about TestComplete test results, how they are stored, and how you can export them to external files and send them to issue tracking systems. When you run TestComplete tests, the test engine collects information on how the tests are going, which actions they are performing, and what an action outcome is. After the test is over, the test engine generates the test log. The summary report of the test log shows the results of each executed test case. If all actions and verifications of a test case were executed successfully and no errors or warnings occurred during the test run, that test case is passed. If any errors occurred during the run, the test case failed, and if any warnings but no errors occurred, then the test case is passed with warnings for each executed test. TestComplete also generates a detailed log. It includes information on all actions the test performed over a tested application, verification results, messages, and so on. Each entry of the test log can include extra information, for example, a detailed description of the occurred event, an image of the tested application, or the entire desktop. For error messages, you can also view their call stack. To learn which test command logged a message, just double-click the message in the log. TestComplete will jump to the command in your test. By default, TestComplete keeps all test logs in your project until you delete them. You can configure TestComplete to keep only the last, let's say 10 or 20 recent logs, and remove the older logs automatically. If you want to share your test results with your team or publish them to your test management system, you can export them as a JUnit-style report or as XML files, MHT files, or HTML files. You can do it directly from the TestComplete UI. You can also export them automatically from the TestComplete command line using these export log and export summary arguments. Exported results can be viewed on a computer where a TestComplete is not installed. If a test has exposed a defect in your tested application, you can report it in your issue tracking system, for example, Jira, directly from TestComplete. All you need to do is click here, connect to your issue tracking system, and specify the defect details. The created defect will have the test log attached. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. If you use Zephyr for Jira to manage your test cases, you can also send TestComplete test results to Zephyr test cycles to keep track of your testing progress. To do this, connect your TestComplete project to your Jira project and link your TestComplete test to Zephyr test cases. TestComplete test results will be sent to the specified cycle and assigned to Zephyr test cases automatically after each test run. They will also be included in the test metrics. This concludes our overview of logs and reports in TestComplete. We hope that this will help you understand how to view and work with test results. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing, and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.